2025, something wild is happening in the trading world, and honestly, nobody can pretend not to notice it anymore. More and more traders, especially the younger ones, are ditching the old school trade your own money route and jumping straight into what people now call funded trading companies. And just to make sure everyone is on the same page with me, for those who don't already know what a prop firm or funded company is, let me say it in a simple term. A prop firm give you money to trade. Their money, not yours. And if you make profit, they share it with you. That's it. That's just the simple explanation. So the big question is, why are so many traders switching to funded trading, and what does it actually mean for the future of trading? Before we dive deep into all the advantages, let me scroll through what this looks like in real life, because this isn't theory anymore, it's happening right now. Okay, so funded trading used to be something only professionals inside big banks or hedge funds had access to. But over the last 2 years, the world has completely collapsed. Retail traders, normal people trading from home, are now joining funded companies and using companies' capital instead of risking their own personal savings. And crypto fund traders, otherwise known as CFT, is one of the platforms leading this shift. And as I scroll through their sites, you can instantly tell why it's getting so much attention. It's basically becoming the bridge between professional trading and retail trading. You can also see how clean and accessible this model has become. Now, before I show you how to get the fund, let's quickly talk about why this model is growing so fast. So the first reason is the capital they will give to you. You see, most traders don't start with thousands of dollars lying around. Funded companies solve that by giving you access to large capital so you can scale faster without risking maybe your rent money. Also, another reason is discipline factor. You should know this. Prop firm comes with rules, loss limits, risk control, daily drawdowns, as you are seeing right here. Some people get annoyed by these rules, but truthfully, they stop a lot of traders from blowing their accounts. These rules force you to trade the way you should have been trading anyway. And finally, opportunity. There are skilled traders everywhere, but most will never touch 50k, 100k or 200k accounts, as you are looking at right here, on their own. Funded companies give them a chance by funding them to prove their skills and get paid properly for it. So when you combine capital, discipline and opportunity, you get a system that rewards performance instead of how much money you personally can invest. That is why this whole thing is spreading like wildfire. Now, let's go through their program so you can understand how this actually works. They offer multiple models depending on your style. If you want something simple and quick, you can start with instant account. For example, this $5,000 account, which has one-time fee, is just $125. You can get the capital instantly without doing any evaluation. If you want something bigger, they've got the one-phase model, like the $25,000 account with fee of $262. Hit the profit target once, follow the rules, and you are good. But personally, I wanted something more serious, so I went for the two-phase $100,000 evaluation, priced at $598 one-time payment. This is the same account you see me assessing inside the dashboard, the $100,000 balance. When purchasing, you can choose your preferred platform, MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader or Bybit. So I actually decided to choose MatchTrader. You can choose whatever you want. Here's the email they sent to me after I purchased. You can see the $598 fee, the discount applied, and the final confirmation. I'll drop my discount code to get 7% off and referral link in this video description, and also pin it in the comment section. After the purchase, you will receive an email with login details and confirmation that your account had been created. Once you log in, this is the dashboard you'll see. Here is the actual $100,000 account I was funded with. You can see everything here clearly. Current balance, equity, days traded, daily drawdown, max drawdown, everything is just transparent. You get performance charts, instruments, and your entire trading history once you start trading. Under the profile section, you can update your personal details, username, and ranking visibility. This page is where payouts will appear once you qualify. You can also download the contract and complete KYC directly here. CFT also include a full academic with live classes, ebooks, videos, podcasts, and even mentoring. This is rare. Most prop firms don't offer extra education. Your billing list store every receipt you get. My order is right here, as you can see, same number from the email if you go and check. One thing that separates CFT from other is that they are directly integrated with Bybit. That means you can trade crypto on real liquidity and real order books instead of stimulating synthetic prices. This is big reason why many traders are choosing this platform. Now, here's the part most people miss: the impact this is having on the entire trading industry. People no longer need to save for years just to grow their trading account slowly. With funded trading, you can literally pass an evaluation in a couple of weeks and access real capital immediately after. We are now seeing a generation of traders who focus less on gambling, more on consistency, because consistency is what gets you paid in this model. And honestly, it's a quiet but powerful shift. If this momentum continues, the way we think about professional trading will completely change. Let's talk about real examples, because this is where crypto fund traders comes in naturally. There are lots of funded companies out there. Some focus on forex, some focus on crypto, some are just complicated for no reason. But crypto fund trader, also known as CFT, is becoming one of the firm traders are paying the most attention to, mainly because their structure is transparent, their payout system is fast, and they are directly integrated with real trading environments. They have partnership with Bybit, as you can see it's integrated in their platform right here, which means you are not trading in closed simulated environment. You are trading with real liquidity, real order books, and real execution on global exchange. That alone puts CFT in a different category, because it means what you see is what you actually get. They also offer payouts in crypto. The evaluation rules are simple and the scaling structure is easy to understand. So guys, at this point, it's clear that funded companies aren't replacing traditional trading, they are complementing it. They allow skilled traders to scale without financial pressure, and companies like CFT are leading that evolution by focusing on fairness, transparency, and actual results. So whether you believe in the model or not, one thing is obvious: it's changing the trading landscape incredibly fast. If you would like to check out Crypto Fund Trader yourself, I will leave my referral link and referral code in the description of this video, and also pin it in the comment section. You can use it to register at a discount. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.